Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at the second method of drawing our hexagon. So we're going to inscribe a hexagon in a circle. What inscribing means is actually placing it in the center of a circle. So we're actually going to be drawing it in the middle of our circle. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw a radius 50 millimeter circle. So we're going to get our compass and we're going to set the distance on our compass to 50 millimeters, and in the center of our page we're going to draw our circle in there. Once I've drawn that in the center, so we'll go a bit heavier on that. So once we've drawn that circle, I'm just going to zoom in so that you can see it a bit better, and we'll zoom over. Okay, so this is going to be the circle that we're going to be doing, and just so that you can actually see, I'm going to put a little plus symbol in the middle so that you can see where the center of the circle is. So I'm going to draw a vertical line from the center of my circle. So that's going to be going up here. And I'm going to label these 2 points. So this is going to be point 0, or the center, and this is going to be point A. So once we have that developed, what we have to think about is how many sides does our figure have? So a hexagon has 6 sides. So if I take 360 and I divide it by 6, we'll get 60 degrees. So if we think about this, our hexagon is going to have 6 sides that are going to be coming down this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and this way. If we think about it, it's very similar to a pizza and dividing a pizza up. So we can divide this into 60-degree sections using our protractor. So if I take my protractor, making sure that the center point of this is on the center point of the circle, and then what I'm going to do is make sure that this 0 mark is on the line that we're after drawing to A. So we're going to use the outside scale here, and we're going to find where our 60 degrees is, and then from there we could draw from the 0 mark all the way out so that we meet that point. Now the thing with this is that we're drawing a regular hexagon, so all of the side lengths are going to be the same length. So if I take my distance between A and B, what I can do now is I can step that off all the way around my circle, and from each point that I found, step off another one and another one all the way around. And if I've been very accurate, when I get to my last one, it should meet up with A as it does up here. So now once I have those, I can label them. So A, B, C, D, E, and F. And now I can just draw my lines to each of them to create my hexagon. So basically in 4 steps we were able to draw that. So our first step was we drew our circle, found the center of it, and drew a line up to A. Then what we did was got our protractor and found our 60-degree angle. Once we got our 60 degrees in here, if I draw it in here, once we got our 60 degrees in here, we got the length from AB, and then we marked that around our circle to find the other points and join them all up.